You have an idea for a game. It's a small idea, a simple platformer maybe, or a clever little puzzle game. The excitement is real. You sit down at your computer, ready to build. You launch one of the big, industry-standard game engines. Suddenly, the excitement fades. It's replaced by a feeling of being overwhelmed. The engine takes ages to load. The project setup is a maze of options and settings you don't understand yet. The interface is a dense forest of menus, windows, icons. You just wanted to put a character on the screen and make it jump. Instead, you're watching tutorials just to figure out the file structure. This is a common story for so many aspiring developers. Large, powerful engines are incredible tools. They are built to create massive, AAA experiences with cutting-edge graphics. But all that power comes with a cost. The cost is complexity. For a solo developer or a small indie team, this complexity can become a wall. But what if there was another way? What if a tool was designed with a different philosophy? One that prioritizes speed, simplicity, and accessibility. An engine that gets out of your way and lets you just make your game. This is the promise that is drawing so many indie developers to a different kind of engine. An engine that is lightweight, free, and built from the ground up for the kind of games that small teams love to make. This engine is Godot. It offers a breath of fresh air. It provides a path forward for those who feel crushed by the weight of the industry giants, offering relief and a renewed sense of possibility. One of the biggest reasons developers are turning to Godot is its philosophy. Godot is completely free and open source. This isn't just about saving money on licensing fees, though that is a huge benefit for a small studio. It's about freedom and transparency. Because it's open source, you can look right into the engine's source code. You can see exactly how it works. If you find a bug, you don't have to wait for a big corporation to fix it. You, or someone in the community, can fix it directly. No surprise terms of service updates, no new pricing models that take a cut. The Godot Foundation ensures development is guided by users, not shareholders. Godot's reputation was built on its fantastic two-dimensional capabilities. For many developers, it is simply the best engine for making two-dimensional games. Its two-dimensional tools were designed from the beginning to be core. Pixels are the base unit, with 0, at the top left. It mirrors 2D art workflows and keeps creation natural. The node and scene system fits 2D game structures perfectly. Build a player as a self-contained scene. Sprite, collision shape, script. Then instance it into your level. Tile map to paint levels, simple, reliable physics, and animation player that just makes sense. Build platformers, role-playing games, puzzle games. Godot's three-dimensional capabilities are growing fast with modern rendering features. It won't chase hyper-realism, it favors an accessible, lightweight path. Stylized visuals and lower demands make learning and building faster. Start in 2D, move to 3D. The scene system, nodes, and scripting stay consistent. GDScript integrates tightly with nodes, making prototyping 2D and 3D frictionless. Let's walk through a quick example to see how this all comes together. Imagine you want to make that simple, two-dimensional platformer. You download Godot, a tiny file, less than 100 megabytes. It launches in seconds. You create a new project. The first thing you'll notice is the clean, uncluttered interface. You start by creating your first scene. For your player, add a character body 2D with built-in movement and physics. Next, add an animated sprite 2D for visuals. Drag in your sprite sheets and define idle, run, and jump. Add a collision shape 2D to set boundaries. Attach a script and write a few lines to move left, right, and jump. The code is readable and makes sense. Create a level scene and add a tile map. Import your tile set and define collisions, then paint your level geometry directly. Add your player scene to the world. Add a camera 2D and make it a child of the player. The camera follows automatically. No complex camera scripts. You press F5 to play. Your game window pops up instantly. You can run and jump around the level you just painted. From blank project to playable prototype, often less than an hour. The momentum behind Godot is undeniable. Community growth and new projects everywhere. Downloads and updates rolling in. It respects your time and energy. For indies balancing jobs and life, that respect is everything. Lightweight setup, a streamlined two-dimensional workflow, and a gentle learning curve remove the friction that kills projects. It empowers you to turn ideas into something tangible and fun, often in a single evening. Open source, royalty-free. Clean, node-based architecture keeps projects organized as they grow. Easier collaboration for small teams. One-click export for desktop, mobile, and web. Photoreal cutting-edge graphics may suit larger engines. Some features may need plugins or custom code. But the community is active, and solutions are often at hand. If you're intimidated or bogged down by tools, try Godot. Start small. Follow a tutorial. Build a simple game. Ask questions. See how friendly it is.